In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn photos into art and animated videos with Google Whisk AI. We'll walk through the entire process from opening the website to downloading your finished artwork, keeping everything simple and clear so you can follow along on your first try. Start by opening the Whisk AI website in your browser. If you see a prompt to sign in, use your Google account to access the tools. This helps the platform save your projects and makes it easier to come back to them later. Once you're in, look for the Upload Image button, click it, then choose the photo you want to transform. For best results, pick a well-lit image with a clear subject and minimal clutter in the background. Sharper photos generally produce cleaner, more convincing artistic results. Next, choose an art style or enter your own AI prompt. You'll find presets like anime, cartoon, cinematic, watercolor, 3D render, and fantasy art. These are great starting points if you want fast, consistent outcomes. If you prefer more control, type a short prompt that describes the mood and look you're aiming for. Think about tone, texture, and atmosphere. For example, you might mention soft watercolor wash with warm tones or dramatic cinematic lighting with high contrast. Keep it concise and specific. Before you generate, explore the customization settings if they're available on your screen. Lighting controls can brighten or add drama. Effects can introduce elements like grain, glow, or motion blur. Color style shifts the palette toward warmer, cooler, or more muted tones, and detail level determines how painterly or realistic the output appears. Small adjustments can have a big impact, so move sliders gradually and preview when possible. When you're ready, click Generate to create your AI artwork. The processing time can vary based on image size and settings, so give it a moment to work. When your results appear, review them carefully, compare variations, zoom in to check edges and textures, and make sure the style matches your original intent. If something feels off, you can go back, tweak the prompt or settings, and generate again. When you find the version you love, download it to your device. Choose a file format and resolution that suits your use case. Higher resolution is ideal for printing or large displays, while smaller files are perfect for social media. Keep your project files organized so you can update or remix them later. That's the core workflow for turning photos into art with Whisk AI. If you're exploring animation, you can build on the same artwork within the platform's tools to bring your images to life. Thanks for watching and enjoy creating.